Hi friends, welcome. Here we have to solve a nice exponential equation 36 to the power x plus 6 to the power x is equal to 30, right? Here we have to find out value of x and we have to verify it also, right? So let's start. 36 as 6 square to the power x plus 6 to the power x is equal to 30, right? Now we can write this as 6 to the power x square plus 6 to the power x is equal to 30, right? Because a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power n to the power m. Fine. Let t is equal to 6 to the power x, right? So this equation will change as t square plus t minus 30 is equal to 0, right? If we factorize it as t square plus 6t minus 5t minus 30 is equal to 0, right? Now we will take t as common. So t plus 6 minus 5 as common. So t plus 6 is equal to 0, right? Now we have t plus 6 and t minus 5 are factors of the equation, right? Now we have two cases as case first and case second. Case first as t plus 6 is equal to 0 and so t is minus 6. As we have assumed t is equal to 6 to the power x is equal to minus 6, right? If we go with this, t minus 5 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 5 or 6 to the power x is equal to 5, right? If we take log on both the sides, log of 6 to the power x is equal to log of 5, right? So x log of 6 equal to log of 5, right? So x is equal to log of 5 over log of 6, or x is equal to log of 5 base 6. Change of base rule, right? Now verification. So here 6 to the power x, x as log of 5 base 6, right? Square. Right? Plus 6 to the power x, 6 to the power x, x as log of 5 base 6, right, is equal to 35. So 6 to the power log of 5 base 6 will be equal to 5, right, square to this, plus 6 to the power log of 5 base 6 will be equal to 5, equal to 30. Because a to the power log of b base a is equal to b, right? Here we have used this formula, a to the power log of b base a is equal to b. Here a 6 and b is 5, right? So 5 square is 25 plus 5 equal to 30, right? So 30 is equal to 30. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay friends, thank you.